Do this video right now because this is the way I see it. If Christ is the way in the passage, Christ's numerology is 77 with Christ. And if you mark down IST and take away the dot, keep it a capital I off your keyboard, it actually says first. The total numbers for Christ is 77, and 7 times 7 is 49. 4 is creation. Inside Uranus, 9 is the birth, 4 is Mars. Okay, when we have Christ, 7 times 7, 49, 7 plus 7 equals 14, the total is 63. Creation of 3 earth and 6 man equals 18, resident angel of the spirit. Jesus equals 74, 7 times 4 is 28, the moon, 7 plus 4 is 11, 1 and 1. 1 spirit, 1 life, for 1 soul. When 1 life comes in from spirit as 1v1, he becomes 1x1 because he's mirrored and reflected in the world, and I will explain it, that when you put a 1 next to a v and a 1 after a v, is that the spirit now goes into creation v life, v is for life in French, to 1 soul. When the soul is eternal and is forever, it brings with it the spirit stick, like plugging it into you and up a wall. But once that life is extinct, we no longer need to carry the spirit with us because we are the angel and we are now Wi-Fi, sci-fi, eternal life forever. Jesus comes down here with Christ, and C, H, and R is 3, 8, and 18. Copper is 1, 8, and 18. What is the other name for 3, 8, and 18, where it's 3, 8, 18, and 9, because 1 and 8 is 9, and it's also 7, equals 15, and back to 51 for Mars again. Copper tellurium, which equals to 29 and number 52, CONTE, okay? Cote means on the side, at cote, okay? The thing about Jesus again is that 33, creation of 3 and 3 against each other, creates that 8th world, bringing them together. Okay, if you put them back to back, it creates the star system spider in between. 33 times 47 equals 1551. 1 times 5, 1 plus 5 equals 6 and 5, 6 and 5, 11, 11, coming of the Christ. Green, Green, okay, in which green is 49 and Christ is 49. Both of them are 7 times 7, 49, 7 plus 7 equals 14, 63 times 2, 126, 216 hours for a 9-day birth equals to that number, 24 times 9. 2 and 4 equals to 6, 2 times 4 equals to 8. We have 6, 8, and 9, man's birth in the high world. When we put 1 next to V next to 1, it becomes 4, 5, and 6, where 4 is injected into 6 because 6 is the half-life. If you look at the dice, you'll see a dot, and a dot, where the dot in the center is the half-life of creation of man. Where on the opposite side of a 6 is a 1 dot for the spirit that goes right through your heart and brings to you the incoming and the outgoing. So when we leave here, we run angel, Wi-Fi, sci-fi, but here we have the spirit denomination that connects to the soul. And when you leave, you just become disconnected. And if it weighs 2 or 3.5 grams, 1/8 of creation, 3.5 grams, 3.5 times 8 equals to 28, which is the cycle, and it is equal to 1 ounce, which is 16, which is 1 spirit of 6, which cannot be created from a straight, because the 6 card automatically comes with the 5 card, and a straight is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a high straight is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Raphael, 7286 in the constellation of Pegasus, come rant with me.